Hey, how you doing? This is Dr. from Medical, December 1st, 2025 already, almost end of the year. So, tech line trauma, and we, as a medical, we decided to have a workshop with purchase. So, if you decide to purchase, and then as a choice, if you want to add on, you can add the workshop together. I, as a medical, I offer workshop and $1,500. Plus the airfare and hotel if I need it. Okay. Just 1 hour pop-on presentation. 30 minutes pop-on presentation and then 30 minutes hands-on training. That's it. So if you're gonna add those workshop with the purchase, we're gonna give you a discounted price. So if you're interested in it, send an email to toki@mn-medical.com right here, and then we can talk about it. If you want to just purchase, you can go to click the link on the corner, tech line trauma with full shoulder, elbow, finger, hip model. Click that link and then we'll send you to order page on tech line trauma so you can place the order right away. So let us know. Thank you.